Your Cloud PBX features various ways to move calls around between users, including attended transfer, unattended or blind transfer, and direct to voicemail transfer. You should take some time to familiarize yourself with the location of the transfer button on your phone. In most cases, there's a physical transfer button on the phone. And once you're in a call, the transfer soft button will appear on the screen. An attended transfer allows you to speak with the person who you'll be transferring prior to handing off the call. This will allow you to pass along information the caller may have given you to avoid making them repeat it to the next party. This can also be a courtesy to the next party to let them know who's being transferred to them. To perform an attended transfer, press the transfer button. The caller will automatically be placed on hold. Then dial the number for the recipient, and their phone will ring. When the recipient picks up, announce the call to the recipient. Press transfer again to complete the call transfer. To perform an unattended or blind transfer, press the BLF for the intended recipient. Or press transfer, then dial the number to transfer to, then press transfer again. Voicemail transfer goes straight to the recipient's voicemail box without ringing the recipient's phone. To perform a voicemail transfer, you will perform a blind transfer with a 03 prefix before the extension. For example, first press transfer, then dial 03 plus the person's extension, then press transfer. From time to time, it may be necessary to place the caller on hold. To do this, press the physical hold button or soft hold button, then hang up the receiver. When you're ready to take the call off hold, lift the receiver, then press the physical hold button or the resume soft button and you'll return to your call. To make a three-way conference call, first call or be called by the first participant. Then press the conference soft key and dial the second participant. After the second participant picks up, press conference to connect everyone. You'll notice a split button on the screen, which will allow you to split both calls back out to the conference and toggle between them.